Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pulau Abang. Today I'm here in the east side guys. I'm at Tampines, the huge giant hypermart guys. You can find everything here guys. So one of the things that you can find is of course Pulau Abang products which are recently distributed to the giant supermarket. So come, let me show you where you can get Pulau Abang products.
In this giant hypermarket.
So guys, if you are in Tampines and looking for Pulau Abang products, do come down to Giant Hypermarket here, the huge one, and check out for our products. So here, let me show you what are the products available. So here guys, of course, we have our donut. We have our choco fat bun made from Nutella guys. Our ayam masak merah, our new beef balls, and of course our famous beef rendang. And on the other side, we have our famous paru berempah guys, paru berempah. And of course our bergedil kentang. So guys, whenever you feel like getting Pulau Abang products, don't forget to drop by to Tampines Giant Hypermarket.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.